Hello, Dr. Campbell, the Hammond Doc. Have this Leslie 147 that I've refurbished here on the desk, and after further consideration, I tested the diodes in the high voltage rectifier board here, and they all tested good. But I do notice some dark coloration on the legs here, and like this one, and some dark coloration here and here. So that concerns me, and I have enough of these in stock where I can replace them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'll be using these little diodes in the rectifier board. Here they are right here. This is a as you can see, that's the item. 1N4007. So that's key. That MFGPN, that's real important right there. 1N4007. Okay. Rechet rectifiers. So that's what I'll be installing this morning here. Okay, so let me get to work, and I'll be back once I have this job completed so that you can see what it looks like. Till then, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, on the job. What time is it? 8:35. Okay, let me get this thing knocked on out. All right. To the next video. Peace out.